Tiny Bear. The story is completely recited in English. Hope you have an advantage to learn new vocabulary. Time to upgrade, enhance your word stock. Special for Mumbaikars, the Mumbai people, upgrading the word hoard. Tiny Bear. Tiny Bear was a very curious bear. You know who was a curious person? The story today is Tiny Bear. Completely in English. Hope you have an advantage to learn new vocabulary. Time to upgrade, enhance word stock. Upgrading the word hoard. Tiny Bear. Tiny Bear was a very curious bear. A person who is curious is always eager to learn something. Utsuk, always eager. He is a utsuk person who always asks lot of questions. Always. You might have asked lot of questions to your mother if you were a curious child or if you are a curious child. Now this tiny bear asked few questions. Why is the sky blue? Where does the night go? How do worms wiggle? Wiggle means to move like this, side to side. Goodness, Daddy would laugh. So many questions. But of course, he, the daddy and Mama Bear always did their best to give Tiny Bear an answer. He was a curious bear and there is nothing to be curious. Nothing wrong to be curious, okay? Knowing the right answer for his questions was not easy. It was very difficult. Every time you come up with a new question, so it was not easy for the parents. One day, the bear family was strolling through a forest. Now, what is the meaning of strolling? Strolling is walking in a leisure way. I am free right now. I have nothing to do. So I'll just walk, look here and there and enjoy. So this is called strolling. Leisure way. You walk in a very leisure way. You don't have to do something. So he was strolling through the forest when the tiny curious bear had a funny thought. So again a funny thought popped up. What does the world look upside down? Upside down, you know what is it? A place. My upper part goes down and the lower part comes up. So it is called upside down. Now Mama and Daddy Bear looked at each other. Again a new question. What will you say? So they looked at each other and smiled. I can't really tell you, laughed Mama Bear. How will I tell you? How will the world look upside down? You are going to have an answer for that question yourself today. Today, you will have an answer to the question yourself only. How? But how? Naturally, the tiny bear will ask, how will I have the answer of the question? I don't know the answer. So, I am asking you, Mama. Now, you tell me, how will I have an answer for this question? I'll show you as soon as we get home, replied Mama Bear. Let us reach home, baby, and I'll teach you or I will share with you the answer. Tiny Bear was a curious bear, so he ran home as fast as he could. Hurry up, he cried. Mama and Daddy, hurry up. Right, panted Mama. Panted. Panted means to breathe with quick, short breaths, especially from exertion. They ran as fast as they could because the baby bear wanted to run very fast. Okay, so the mother panted. She panted. Stand up straight now, she said. Stand up straight. Stretch your arms above your head. Come on. Stretch your arms above your head. What's that to do with what the world looks like upside down? Now why are you telling me to do this, Mama? What's that to do? इससे क्या मतलब है? What's that to do? that the world looks upside down? Laughed the tiny bear. What silly mama? What are you making me do? It has nothing to do with my question. What the world looks upside down? You will see in a minute. Smile, Mama Bear. Okay, wait for a minute. Wait, be calm, be patient. I'll tell you how the world looks upside down. Point your right foot in front of you. Right foot is the right leg. So point your right foot in front of you and fall forwards. Roll up. It is fall forwards until your hands touch the ground. So what you have to do is your hands will touch the ground and your legs will go up. Okay, and legs should go up straight. But I will fall, said the tiny bear. I will fall, Mama. Don't worry, said Mama Bear. Don't worry, I will hold your legs. You will not fall. Nothing to worry. Tiny bear did as Mama Bear instructed. Instructed is to do as you are told. Okay, or when the mother ordered, he did as he was told. His legs were up and his hands were down, touching the ground. And what is it called? It is called a handstand, right? It is called a handstand, and he did the handstand all by himself. What does the world looks now? Asked Mama Bear. You asked me a question. How does the world look now? You have an answer right now in front of you. Tell me, how does the world look now? Asked the Mama Bear. All topsy-turvy. Oh my God. All topsy-turvy. Topsy-turvy means upside down. Laughed the tiny bear. This is fun. This is fun. Why don't you do a handstand and see for yourself? Handstands are the same type of exercises where you keep your hands down and your legs up. So why don't you do few handstands and see how the world looks upside down? All topsy-turvy, Mama. All right, laughed Mama. All right. What did the Mama say? All right. But Daddy Bear. Mama, it's okay. I got the question that the world looks topsy-turvy, upside down. But Daddy Bear, my daddy, he will have to do one handstand with me. He will have to do one handstand with me. Oh my God, I cannot do this now. You are a curious boy. I answered your question. You got the answer of your question. Now don't ask me to do this handstand. It is not my cup of tea, baby. So this was the story of a tiny bear who was a very curious bear, always eager to learn something. You know, to be curious is really a very good habit. Okay, so now did you understood the story? So how the mother panted, and you know it was difficult to handle this child who was always curious. But parents love these kind of children because itne questions, they ask so many questions that naturally their knowledge expands, and when they grow up they're going to be smart kids. So be a curious child, watch Harshi ma'am, and please give me feedbacks. This is from your feedback that today I compiled or read a story completely in English just for you, for the special person who really loved my videos and told me to create a one completely in English so that she could upgrade her word hoard. Bye-bye. Coming up next with a new story. Take care. Bye-bye.